Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to make an unboxing video. Our Shopee delivery is here. They're going to make a picture of your item that it is delivered, and here mode of payment is cash on delivery, and once you're done, good to go to open the box or the delivery package. And here it goes. Let's see, it's a really good packaging. It's really tight to make sure that the item is properly delivered to you as it is. I'm very happy with the packaging. Like that, it's quite difficult to open because my scissor is a little bit not so sharpies, but let's get on with that. So talking about a Shopee, they're very easy to get. Just make sure you don't cancel your order online too much in this application or store, because if you do so, it's going to be a big problem for you. Maybe you will get a fine, you will get a problem, I don't know really, but it's not a good sign as a shopper. So here goes another package again. So you just have to open the scotch tape, and there you go in the side. Let's see the side here, and I really try to get through it. As you can see, I changed a scissor here because this one is much sharper than the other one. So there you go. Let's see, the kids are really interested as well, like me. And here, try again here on the side, and there and there. The kids just can't wait. They're so excited, just like as I do. And here, and yeah, open. It's really good packaging. They're really good in it, like that. This is just to make sure that everything is delivered properly to you as how you see it online. So far it's really nice. I'm really happy with it from the package already. Actually, the guy who delivered this one said, the delivery man said, did you order? Because I'm the only one who got a big order, a big package. And I just said I ordered the yarn, and they are okay. He's very curious what I ordered. So I have 95 for Tiffany color and 22 item for black color, which is 117 pieces all in all. So by the way, for one of this roll is around about 50 gram more or less. It's really nice soft yarn. It's actually not 100% cotton. I'm not really sure about that. Yeah, it is 100% cotton. I forgot already, because as you can see, there is no information, but what I saw online, they have information in the yarn. Around this package here of the yarn, they have an information, but this here they don't have an information. And I was really wondering about that when this arrived, but it doesn't matter, it's okay. That was just the only lacking that I wanted, because it's always nice to see information of the yarn, even though they're the same, just to make it really looking nice and beautiful as how it is. You saw as how it is when you saw it online, which is much better. So I suggest to make it like this, to make it to make the job faster. But yep. And then later, actually, I found out that there is one package that has information on it, and let's see where it is. And by the way, this is how it looked like all together when the plastic is already out all the way here. You can see there are so many Tiffany colors, and actually I found out there is only one or a few of these, like one or two only. So you can see this one has a label and the other ones don't have, probably just because of the printing cost. So I really don't know. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. So I really didn't see any information about this yarn, but if you go to the shop, there is an information like what kind of yarn, what kind of hook you're gonna use. And yep, if you go on the shop only yarns and polo, they have information. There are a lot of information about this kind of yarn in a specific way, very detailed information about this yarn. So if you're interested more about this yarn, just go to their page, Yarns and Polo, and they have all information about this yarn specifically. And here we're counting it to make sure everything is delivered properly, just to double check before you're gonna use all of this. But actually, yes, everything is right, and which is really good, and that is a thumbs up for that. And yep, so if you're going to ask me if I'm going to order again in this shop, yes, I would. And kids likes to play just like as I do. They're very cute. And this is how big it is, for 50 gram more or less if I'm gonna hold it with my hand only. And yep, this is how much it looked like. So by the way, this cost, as I remember, I think 48 pesos for one if you're going to buy only less than 50 items. But if you're going to buy more than that, it's gonna give you about 42 pesos only for one, because they're going to give you a wholesale prices, so which is really good because I ordered quite a lot, 117 pieces. And yep, I really like the color of these yarns and the quality, just like how I expected it to be. So yeah, I'm gonna order again for the shop, and this video is not sponsored. So I make more videos like this in the future and more crochet tutorials. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it for this video. Bye!